Hi dear students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Did you completed our last class works? Okay, now we can continue our chapter. Last class we did an activity that is find the favorite food, color, game, etc. You got some same and different answers. As the same aspects, look our neighborhood or extend our thought to all our country or world. Each individual is unique yet different from each other. Look this picture. Sam and Rahul. They are speak different languages. Sam speak Malayalam and Rahul speak Hindi. And they have different religions, like Sam is Christian and Rahul is Hindu. And look this picture. This is Rahul and Nisha. There are also different on each another aspects. That is, Rahul is a boy and Nisha is a girl. So, differences can be due to different reasons, including gender, that means a male or female, religion, language, region, etc. To aspect and respect difference between the individuals while also understanding that each individual is unique. This is the outline of the concept of diversity. Diversity means lack of uniformity. Now, we can read a story. Story is Making Friends. This is a narrative story of Poili Sengupta. His book name is The Lights Changed. This is a narrative story. Samar is a newspaper boy who sold newspaper at the Janapat Junction. He held newspaper and screamed out the evening headlines in the mixture of Hindi and English words. The author name is also Samar. He is Samar Ike. The newspaper boy is Samar Du. Samar Ike bought Hindi newspaper. He know English and Hindi and he went to school. He is well educated. But the case of newspaper boy, he didn't go to school. He speaks Hindi. Newspaper boy early age started works as a newspaper boy. First his mother used to come with him, but now that Samirike do alone this work. Samadu's mother lived at Meerut. Samarike said, "My name is Samar. It is the other name of Hanuman's father." That time, newspaper boy said, "I am a Muslim boy." When they meet the next day, the newspaper boy said, "Some communal issues at Meerut." It's a native place of newspaper boy, Samir Du. The communal issues means religious conflicts, that is conflicts between Hindus and Muslims. A newspaper boy's family lived at Meerut. The day after, and no ever seen that newspaper boy, the Samirike felt too sad. This is the summary of the story. Now, what are the ways Samirike and Samar do different? We can say Samar is EK is more familiar with English. Samar do speak Hindi. Then another Samar EK is Hindu. Samar do is a Muslim. Samar is EK is school going boy, but the Samadu does not go to school. Instead, he sells newspaper. In the case of different languages and religious and cultural backgrounds, these are an aspect of diversity. Here, Samarike goes to school. Samardu sells newspaper. Samardu didn't have the opportunity to attend school. This is not a diversity, but it is inequality. Looking our area, we can see several people who are poor, who don't have enough to eat or wear, and sometimes not even a place to live. It is not a difference but of inequality. Inequality comes about when a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to other persons. What is inequality? How the inequality comes? When a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to the other persons. Okay, and another example is caste system. Do you heard about this? According to the caste system, we can say society was divided into different groups depending upon the work that people did, and they were supposed to remain in those groups. So if your parents were potters, you would only become a potter, nothing else. This is the system was considered irreversible. This created a situation of inequality. If your parents is a carpenter, you would be a carpenter, nothing do other works. That is a inequality. Not only in the case of caste system, religion, financial well-being, education, etc. are the various forms of inequality in our society. So how the inequality comes? Among the people when they have different access to resources and opportunities. Once more, inequality comes about when a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to the other persons. In our country also facing this type of different types of inequalities. Okay, now we can wind up our class. Today our activity is write a list of different festivals celebrated in our locality. Once more, write a list of different festivals celebrated in our locality. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.